I got it all over my eyes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. With that being said, let's get started. Of course, I'm going to start off with the Wet n Wild Glass Correct all over my face. Remember, a little goes a long way. Make sure you distribute it in your hands, have it a little bit warm, and then apply it all over your face. So here I had already done my eyebrows and I'm just defining them by using some corrector on the outside of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. primer. I'm going to be using the Myra and Karina palette. I started off with the Womb Buddy all over my eyelids. Now I'm going in with Nocturnal on the outside of my eyelids. Make sure you guys are blending well and trust the process. Now I'm putting a little bit of concealer on my eyelids because I want to create a little bit of a cut crease. I'm going in with Glam. And this, I am applying it right where I put that cut crease. I'm applying a little bit of this Wet n Wild glitter in the middle, just to kind of make the whole color pop up. Now I am going to be using this Green Ioni eyeliner pencil and applying it to my waterline. I'm going in with Self Made, and I'm going to drag this from the inside to the outside, make sure to blend. I am going to be applying some of this NYX eyeliner on both of my eyelids, kind of trying to wing it out a little bit. If you're afraid of making a mistake, go slowly. Remember, you can always do it in steps, meaning you start off with a little bit of a line in the middle, and then in the outer corner, and then inside corner, and then connect them all at the end. As you can see, I messed up my eyeliner right there, but I was like, okay, I can fix it. So I did another line right where I made that mistake. So that's simple, guys. You can keep on using makeup or take it off and apply it again. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. I'm applying a little bit of the Voluminous Mailing Lashes mascara on both eyelids. Now I am using the Ioni eyelashes, and yes, I found these at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to go in with foundation using the Wet n Wild. For concealer, I'm going to be using Wet n Wild again, and I'm going to apply this to the inner corners on the outside of my eyelids as well. Now I am going to be using this blush that I also got at Dollar Tree and apply it very gentle. And then I'm going to be using this powder that I also found at Dollar Tree. This powder is really good, you guys. For my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX liquid lipstick. So that's it, you guys. What do you guys think? Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.